Niguo gutigirira urimi hamwe na thogora ya macani ni agacira. Riu thirikari ya Botswana itongoretio ni murugamiriri wa thogora Lebire ni nyitanire na kambuni ya macani ya Fresh guku bururi-ini hari guthomithia maingi megie urimi wa macani.
We've just discussed that there is a very strong and compelling need for African countries to do more trade with each other. I think we looked at the figures for Botswana and Kenya, they are very low. So these are some of the avenues. I mean, tea is consumed every day on the table. So these are some of the products and avenues that we can really use to strengthen our trade on the shadow of this intercontinental trade agreement.
Kurigana na Lebire ugite unyitaniri uyu ni uguteithiriria mabururi maya meri hari ucenjania wa indo iria makuragia hamwe na urithia hatari kihingicio giothe kuria ongereire ati nginya urimi wa mahiu no ugukuruhania mubango-ini uyu. Oho murugamiriri munene wa kiganda kia macani kia Gorongo Jojo Munga na ugite ati riri ni itacokia ria mwanya na ria bata kuri mabururi maya meri kuona ahuri biacara guku bururi-ini makoretwo na ihinda iritu riria mekwendia magetha mao nja ya bururi kumana na mari iguru ma kwendia magetha mao nja ya bururi.
Been selling our teas, we can sell direct now because I think within the group that we are today from Botswana there are more than 4 buyers who want to be engaging direct with the Kenya government or the Kenya tea producers, which is a plus for us because we have the traditional market plus now this one which is emerging.
Oho Omunga ni acakaite bei ya macani gukorwo igithie thi mahinda kwa mahinda kuria riu oritie thirikari guteithiriria na kuhura njeki arimi a macani hari wendia wa macani kuona giki nikio gikoragwo kiri kihingicio kinene. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Wangui wa Wanjikũ.